Realme launched its Realme series globally, and here we will focus on the 10 Pro version. The Realme 10 Pro has an amazing bezel-less screen with a slim design. Realme calls it Boundless Display, which has about 1mm ultra-slim side bezels that look fantastic. The Realme 10 Pro has a Hyperspace design, as you can see, and the back has reflecting patterns that look impressive. The Realme 10 Pro equips a 6.72-inch IPS LCD display with Full HD Plus and a 120Hz refresh rate, also offers a 240Hz touch sampling rate. The screen doesn't have any in-display fingerprint, rather you get it on the side embedded on the power button. Also the phone has a 3.5mm jack. The Realme 10 Pro equips a 6nm Qualcomm Snapdragon 695, which is a mid-range octa-core SoC, found on mid-range smartphones under $250 or some above the range. About the performance of the Snapdragon 695 SoC, is slightly faster than the Snapdragon 765G and far better than the Snapdragon 720G. The performance fits the price bracket and is suitable for everyday use, also good for causal gaming and multitasking. For gamers, you will find an Adreno 619 GPU which can run several games smoothly on default graphics settings. Expect the phone to run games with medium to high graphics depending on the game. As for its cameras, on the back are just dual, the 108MP camera being the main while the 2MP a portrait, basically useless. The front side has a 16MP camera for selfie and video calling needs. The main camera shines out loud with the images looking bright and crisp in the daylight. The 108MP camera has impressed us, you can expect a good performance out of it overall. The second camera is for portrait use, you can get some nice portraits, but mostly it's due to the main camera sensor. No wide-angle camera is available, which limits its capabilities on the phone. The Realme 10 Pro also comes with a 5000 mAh battery, with a 33W charger can charge the phone up to 50% in about 29 minutes. The 5000 mAh battery on the phone is still good for daily usage, you can expect around 1.5 to 2 days of battery life depending on your usage. The Realme 10 Pro shines out with its specs and features under $242 budget and is recommended for those who are looking for a mid-range smartphone at this price.